Tesla bull ARK head Cathie Wood says brand damage is not long-term. Tesla bull and head of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood, admitted during an interview with Bloomberg that she does believe the company has experienced some brand damage due to CEO Elon Musk's political involvement. However, she does not believe it is a long-term issue. Over the past 8 months, Musk's involvement in the USA political landscape has swayed some to stop supporting Tesla, others to ditch their cars, and some to boycott the brand altogether. Inversely, others have started supporting Musk, Tesla, and its products as a nod of support for what he's done for government efficiency. The perspective on how Musk's involvement has impacted Tesla truly varies. Its impact has been noticeable, especially in Europe, as some countries have seen some pretty drastic declines in deliveries since the start of the year. However, some of this can be attributed to the company's switch over to new production lines for the updated Model Y. Some can also be blamed on economic issues, as the cost of living is still relatively high. There is no denying that at least some of the impact has come from those who simply disagree with Musk and are choosing not to buy his company's products. Wood is among Tesla's most outspoken bulls and has tremendously high expectations for the stock moving into the late 2020s and into the 2030s. In a recent interview, she highlighted the brand's exceptional potential moving forward, but did address some of the short-term concerns, especially regarding Tesla's perception amongst the public. "I think he feels he has a duty to the country to make sure we don't blow ourselves up with these deficits." Brand damage? Yes. I do not believe it is long-term. Tesla, we believe, will have a lock on the robotaxi business in the USA, and we believe they are going to proliferate through the United States, especially if we remove regulation from a state level to a federal level, which we believe will happen. ARK's Cathie Wood. Tesla brand damage has happened. Cathie Wood breaks down what Elon Musk's moves mean for TSLA, from tech updates to falling sales in Europe. She's still bullish on US robotaxis but warns that rules in Europe and China could make things tricky. Musk announced during the company's most recent earnings call that he would step back from his government duties and return to Tesla in a more consistent role, as his work with the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, seemed to be winding down to a certain extent. Tesla CEO Elon Musk confirms time spent with DOGE will drop significantly. It was a big win for Tesla investors, as many were interested in Musk returning his focus to the automaker, especially as 2025 is expected to be a year of many catalysts between the robotaxi launch, affordable models coming into play, production of the Semi starting at the tail end of the year, and the Optimus robot continuing consistent development. Wood was quick to point out that Tesla is not the only car company that was suffering with lagging sales, as a macro-level perspective on the automotive industry proves that many automakers are looking for ways to avert disaster due to the ongoing tariff war. Tesla is still the highest valued automaker in the world, and it has plenty of bullish points to look forward to as the year nears the halfway point. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.